Here we have this problem of 7,722 divided by 54. So where do we start on a problem like this? We start with the first number, 7,722, and we're going to put it inside of the division bar and put the second number on the outside. Okay, so now we have the setup. The first number goes inside, the second number goes outside. We take 54. Because that is 2 digits, we want to see how many times does 54 go into the first 2 digits of the number underneath the division bar. So how many times does 54 go into 77? 54 goes into 77 only one time, because if you went in twice, that would be a number greater than 100. And you can also do your multiplication out to the side if you need to. But for this one, because 1 times 54 is just 54, we can write that underneath the 2 digits that we were going into before. Once we do that, we want to subtract. So 77 minus 54, 7 minus 4 is 3. 7 minus 5 is 2. Now, once our subtraction is done, we bring down one more digit because we want to see how many times 54 goes into 232. So, we know that 1 times 54 is 54. 2 times 54 would be about 108. 3 times would be about 150. 4 times, let's see, could we do, if we do 54 times 4, would that be close to 232, as close as we can get to 232 without going over? Let's check. So 4 times 4 is 16. 4 times 5 is 20, plus 1 is 21. So now we have 216. Can we add another 54 and still be under 232? No, we couldn't, because that would be over 260. So that would be, it can go in evenly 4 times, because we're choosing this number here. So 4 times 54 we said was 216. We subtract. We can't do 2 minus 6, so we borrow from the 3. So 12 minus 6 is 6. 2 minus 1 is 1. And then 2 minus 2 is 0, so we can leave that blank. Then we bring down the next digit. Now we have, how many times does 54 go into 162? Well, let's see. We know that we said that 2 times 54 was 108, and then 3 times 54 is somewhere around 150, so let's try that. 54 times 3 is 3 times 4 is 12, so put down the 2 and carry the 1. 3 times 5 is 15, plus 1 is 16, 162. That matches perfectly. So since we were multiplying times 3, we put that number on top. 3 times 54 is 162. We subtract and get 0. Once we get 0 as our answer and we have a number above our last digit of our number inside, that is our final answer. So 143 would be our answer. That's 7,722 divided by 54 is equal to 143. So thanks, by the way, to the person who requested this problem in the comments. And if anybody else has any problems that they'd like to see a video step-by-step solution like this done on, feel free to drop those in the comments, or if it's difficult to send them in the comments, send them to my email that's located in the description. If you go under the video and click more, you should see my email. And yeah, happy studies and thanks for watching.